Alright guys, I got the LP gas connected, just using a small tank just to do a test run. Have oil in the generator. We got the adapter hooked on so we can feed both engines with LP gas. We got our battery connected. We come over here. First thing we're going to do is our selector. We're going to select propane for both engines. Open this right here. We're going to turn our main power on. You hear the fan. And come over here. We're going to select engine 1 and start. Alright guys, when I try to start engine 2, it tripped. So I'm gonna leave it on the middle and see if I can start both engines at the same time. I don't know, this is new to me. Just one started. Oh, it did it. Did do it. You just put it in the middle and push start. Oh, we turned the breaker on automatically. It's pretty cool. Shut it down. Okay, they both shut off at the same time and the breaker went off.